everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this easy and delicious tiramisu. I'm making the eggless version today, so keep on watching. So for this I've taken 250 ml of heavy cream. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to it and half a cup of powdered sugar. Whip it up for 2 to 3 minutes. Start slowly at first and then gradually increase the speed. Next, add 250 grams of mascarpone cheese to it and start whipping it again, slowly at first and then increase the speed. Whip it till it's nice and stiff. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So here I've taken 1 cup of instant coffee, and to that I'm dipping these lady's finger biscuits into the coffee and arranging it in a glass tray. This will make the first layer of our tiramisu. Now on top of it, add the mascarpone cheese and cream mixture that we've made. Spread it nice and as even as you can. Now on top of that, add another layer of the lady's finger biscuits that have been dipped in the coffee. I'm making only 2 layers today. Now repeat the same process, and on top of these biscuits, once again you can layer the mascarpone cheese and cream filling. Spread it well on top. Now cover it and you need to refrigerate it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Now after 2 or 3 hours, you can take it out and now it's nice and set. And you can dust some cocoa powder on top of it. You can even add some fruits or some nuts if you like. I'm just dusting cocoa powder on top. And here our delicious tiramisu is ready, and it's so easy and so delicious. If you've tried this recipe, do let me know in the comments below and check out my other videos too. You can cut it and serve it and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.